Hi there everyone. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you another interesting do-it-yourself video to change the stock halogen bulbs of your Toyota Camry 2017 with some stunning LED lights. In this video, we will replace the halogen main headlights and the halogen daytime running lights of our Toyota Camry. So, let's get started. The bulbs comes with the standard manual, 2 3M two-sided adhesive tapes, 2 LED headlights and 2 drivers for the LEDs. These LED headlights are called H11 LED. Now let's take a close look at the drivers and the bulbs. We will look at the drivers first. Notice that one end of the driver connector with the circular pins will connect with the LED bulb and the other end with 2 pins will connect with the headlight's power connection socket. The LED has a rated voltage of 12 to 24 volts and brightness is 6000 lumens. Now, let's take a close look at the LED headlights. The headlights are very well built, all metal and has a Cree LED at the tip. The rear end has a cooling mechanism to keep the LED cool and safe. Okay, so let's jump in and see how it is done. I have the LED bulbs ready to install and the car turned off totally. We will start with replacing the left-hand side bulb first and then we will do the right-hand side. The left-hand side is the left side when you look at the car standing in front of it and so on with the right-hand side. Here's some serious work. Just kidding. First, identify the headlight which should be located towards the corner. Now, here's the technique to unplug the bulb connection. This is the same technique which you would use to unplug and open all the bulbs, both headlights and the daytime running lights. First step. Hold the plug firmly and press the clip. There is a notch on the bulb to which the clip holds. Once you press the clip, pull the plug towards downwards. And the plug should be disconnected. Second step. Turn the bulb counterclockwise until the 3 metal sides should line up with the openings. Third step. Pull the bulb outwards and voila! The bulb should come out. Once your bulb headlight is pulled out, carefully place that in the box. Next step is to get the LED headlight ready for installation. Take the LED headlight and the driver and connect the circular pin of the LED light with the circular end of the driver. The circular pins are configured so that they will go into the circular plug in only one way. Now tighten the cap to firmly secure the connection as shown in the video. Once you are done with this, your LED headlight is ready to be installed. Now that we are ready, next is to install the LED headlight. Here we would follow the same steps that we followed to open the bulb, just in the reverse order. First, insert the LED light by lining up the metal projections with the opening of the bulb casing. Once done, press and softly rotate clockwise. The LED bulb is now locked in the casing. Then, connect the open end of the driver with the power plug connection. Remember, the notch should line up with the clip. Firmly press and the light is installed and connected. Follow the same steps to replace the headlight with LED on the right-hand side. Once both the LED headlights are installed and connected, let's test this out before we do the final step. Clean the metal surface where you want to place the driver. Peel off the 3M tape and stick it to the flat surface of the driver. Then peel off the other side and fix it to the chassis as shown in the video. Remember, fix the driver to a metal part of the chassis. Now comes changing the daytime running lights, or better known as DRLs. The replacement and installation is very similar to LED headlights. First, locate the DRL on the left-hand side. Firmly press the clip and pull the plug downwards. This should release the connection from the bulb. Now that bulb is disconnected from the power source, go ahead and follow the same step to pull out the bulb. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, and once the edges line up with the casing opening, pull the bulb outwards. The bulb should come out of the casing. Installation is also pretty much the same. Take the LED bulb and line it with the bulb casing. Press gently and rotate clockwise. The bulb now is securely fixed inside the casing. Then connect the bulb's end with the power plug. That's it. Follow similar steps for the right-hand side DRL. Now that both DRLs are ready, test the lights. Locate the right-hand side DRL. The right-hand side position will be more cramped than the left, and you will have to work with the little space available. This is to show you how it looked before upgrading the LED headlights and DRLs. Upgrading with LED lights. Thank you for watching. Hope this do-it-yourself video was helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have a question about the installation of LED lights and I will be more than happy to answer those. I have done a similar video earlier showing how to replace all yellow stock lights of the Toyota Camry interior with premium white LED bulbs. Feel free to check out that video, I will leave a link to that video in the description below.